Imagine cruising down the open highway in something that looks like it just rolled out of a sci-fi movie. The metallic shine catches every ray of sunlight, turning heads wherever it goes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement, a futuristic RV that feels more like a luxury spacecraft than a traditional motorhome. From the very first glance, the sleek reflective bodywork pulls you in, almost daring you to come closer, to explore what's hidden behind those polished walls. Step inside, and it's like walking into another world. The interior doesn't just feel modern, it feels timeless, like it was designed for both today and tomorrow. The polished steel surfaces, minimalistic lines, and smart use of lighting create an atmosphere that's equal parts cozy and cutting edge. It's the kind of place where you could sip your morning coffee while feeling like you're aboard a futuristic pod ready to explore unknown frontiers. But this metallic RV isn't just about looks. Every corner has been carefully thought out, designed to maximize both comfort and practicality. Imagine touchscreen controls built seamlessly into the walls, transforming the space with just a tap. One moment, you're looking at a cozy lounge, and with a swipe, it converts into a dining area or even a sleeping zone. The futuristic metallic finish reflects the glow of hidden LED strips, giving the whole interior a soft yet powerful radiance. Now think about storage, usually the biggest struggle in RVs. Here, compartments blend so seamlessly into the design that you don't even notice them until they're revealed. Drawers slide open silently, metallic doors lift with a whisper, and suddenly you realize this RV isn't just about traveling, it's about redefining how we live on the move. Every inch has a purpose, every detail feels intentional. On the outside, the aerodynamic design isn't just for show. That sleek metallic body helps with efficiency, cutting through the air as you glide across highways or back roads. Imagine pulling into a rest stop or campsite, people can't help but stop and stare. It's not just another RV, it's a glimpse into the future of travel, a machine that feels more like a moving piece of art. And when the sun sets, the metallic body reflects the colors of the sky, glowing like molten silver under the fading light. But let's not forget the real magic, freedom. With this metallic RV, you're not bound by location or routine. One day you're parked beside a mountain lake, the next you're gazing at city skylines, all while carrying your home with you. It's more than transport, it's mobility wrapped in elegance. The metallic sheen becomes a mirror of your journey, reflecting the places you've been and the adventures yet to come. And here's the thing, while it feels like something out of a movie, it's real. The metallic RV isn't just a dream. It's a revolution in how we imagine travel. Sleek, smart, and unforgettable, it's not just taking us places, it's changing the way